Hey, be rising every day. What's going on, beautiful people? It's been a little while, and it's been a little while since I've done one of these videos. That's just what happens when with life. Time just goes by really quickly. And today I want to share with you what I'm eating, what I'm doing. We're going to be going for a long bike ride, and I wanted to share with you the meals I'm eating. So when it comes to exercising and working out, it's important to make sure that you're getting nutrient-dense foods and high calories and good energy as well. And so in my nutrition program, that's what we're looking at. We're looking at the energy and nutrition that we're getting from our food to nourish our bodies, give it everything that it needs to be healthy. And so I have a lot to share, and I know it's been a little while, and I thank you guys for staying along and having some patience with me, because I do have a lot to share, and I know that it can help a lot of people. And so today I'm going to try to just film and take various clips, and then we'll see how it goes, because I know I'm going to be spending a lot of time out biking. And first thing, I want to make sure that I'm giving my body enough energy and fuel to keep me feeling good throughout the ride. So as you guys know, I love starting off my day with fruit, and especially after a night's rest, you want that hydration, and it's like the fruit carries that hydration, and it's also packed with vitamins and minerals and electrical energy. So it's got a really good energy hit from the sun, and that is what's going to be my fuel first thing in the morning. And so what I've been craving lately, mangoes. I love mangoes. They pack a lot of good nutrition. I've already got some cut up here, and I've already been eating some. So check that out. So that's what I'm starting the day off with, some mangoes. And that is the first thing going in my body. Also, I did want to share, which I got to share with you guys, this recipe, because this one is delicious. Some banana bread. So this has 4 ripe bananas in here, and I will share this recipe too. But this is a pretty nutrient dense as well with the banana bread, and you can see a lot of it is already gone. So yeah, lots to share. Also got a lot of people start their day off with coffee, which stimulates the adrenal glands, and that produces cortisol. And so if you're wanting to get off coffee because of the stimulating effect, one great alternative would be this Inca, which is non-caffeinated, but it still gives you that roasted taste. And this is actually roasted grains. So I find it's just a nice alternative to switch up now and then. I do drink green tea still, which it has caffeine, but also has a lot of health benefits. And I find I work it off when I'm riding my bike. So I don't feel like it affects me too much. And has really great polyphenols in the green tea. I do switch it up now and then, though. I'll go to the Inca if I want more of that coffee taste. So yeah, that's just an alternative if you're wanting to get off coffee or just limit the amount that you drink. And I might do a video on coffee, just the effects on stomach acid, as well as on the adrenal glands, and just kind of weaning off it a little bit if you can. So yeah, I'm gonna try to share with you what I'm eating. We'll see how it goes. I'm not sure how it'll go, so bear with me. And I'll just try to videotape as much as I can, and we'll get it out there for you guys. All right, let's get to it. So I have included eggs in my diet. Eggs provide fat-soluble vitamins such as retinol and vitamins E, D, and K2, which are needed for the integrity of the intestinal lining. Eggs also provide choline to support liver function by emulsifying fats and help in the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins. And we know that amino acids are building blocks for hormones and are needed for the proper function of the entire glandular system. Here we have some coconut yogurt with some Saskatoon berries and nutrient dense meal right here. So we have some scrambled eggs with some sauteed mushrooms, zucchini, peppers, onions, and spinach. And we have some dill onion potatoes. So this is the next meal. Super filling, lots of B vitamins, and lots of iron and protein. So really good to keep you satiated throughout the day. Next, we're gonna be making freshly squeezed orange grapefruit juice. One of my favorites that I've been having almost every single morning. And this just really bumps up the immune system with the high vitamin C. And we are going to be using the presser for this one. So I'll try to film that, show you guys with one hand. Use a big one here. Putting it here. Here we go. Oh yeah. Gotta really press down on it here. And if you want, you can always just take the pulp from the orange and add it, if you want, to your orange juice. So there's not too much pulp, but if you want, you can kind of scrape that out and add it just for extra fiber to your orange juice. And I love the fresh juice because it has the live enzymes. So it's really, really nutritious for the body. Okay, here it is. Delicious. So I'm gonna be drinking this, and then I'm gonna also bring bananas and some apples on the road for possibly during and after the bike ride. All right, cheers. Also, I'm going to bring these pumpkin seeds. So these are just a nice snack, high in iron, protein, good fiber in there as well, and some healthy fats.
Yeah, isn't that pretty? It's amazing.
Like that in the valley?
Yeah, unreal. Beautiful.
Dream of paradise, paradise. Every time she closed her eyes. Paradise, paradise. Every time she
beautiful day here. Check out all these beautiful cedars around. It's amazing. +2 today. The weather's nice. The trails are nice. It's a beautiful day.
There's birch and aspen. Pretty cool.
So that was a great day outside in nature. Beautiful day. I recommend everybody get outside if you can, get some fresh air, connect back with the nature. It just makes you feel so good and rejuvenated. The fresh air does wonders. And the exercise as well, really good for you. So to end off today, I'm going with a veggie stir fry. Really feel like noodles today, but we're going with healthier noodles. So this is millet and brown rice noodles with a ton of veggies and chickpeas with a teriyaki sauce. And this one is in my recipe book. Make sure you check it out. And let's look at the nutritional profile of today. Okay, so we started the day off with some fresh mangoes, some coconut yogurt with some berries, some good quality protein with an array of vegetables. So as you can see, I'm doing a mix of cooked and raw, and I feel best eating this way. Again, especially when working out, because you get in a lot of calories, and as you can see, I went 2,600 calories today. And let's give a quick glimpse of how did I do. So we're meeting, fiber's looking really good. Yes, fiber's really important. I like to keep my vitamin C high, especially and even higher during cold and flu season. Iron is pretty good. I'd like to see my calcium a bit higher, especially on days that you're working out, but you're not going to get everything all in one day. And of course, other days are going to make up for it. Some days I might have more calcium than other days. And B12, I do supplement with B12, so I'm not too worried about that, but you know where that's coming from. That's coming from, those important B vitamins that come from the eggs. Folate, also very important for women, so I like to see that. And you can see it's coming actually from the mangoes and the cooked spinach and the freshly squeezed orange juice. Let's look at, the B vitamins. B5, that's always important. And I switch up what I eat every single day. Omega-3s, mangoes, zucchini, cooked spinach again, that's spinach, and then the eggs. Iron is also very, very important. So that is also coming from the cooked spinach and the potatoes that I had, as well as, hey, look at that, some mushrooms. And the mangoes and brown rice. Okay, zinc is really important for men especially. So again, cooked spinach. That cooked spinach is looking pretty good for us. And then we're meeting all of our amino acid requirements, which is really important as you're working out. You want to make sure that you're giving your body what it needs to regenerate, repair after a workout. So we're looking pretty good with our chickpeas, our eggs. We're meeting all of our amino acid requirements. Oh yeah, I want to see my calcium. That's probably going to come from the orange juice and the coconut yogurt as well. At a whopping 39%. Mangoes too. And the spinach. That cooked spinach. It's really bumping up the nutritional value here. Lots more to come. So thanks for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed today. If you did, give it a thumbs up. If you want more videos like this, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe for more content, and make sure you check out my recipe book. Lots of great recipes in there. As always, be your beautiful selves, be getting in some whole healthy foods and some nature. When you do that, we'll be rising.